Hello, welcome to WordPress in 5 minutes. In this video, I will show you how to add a table of content in WordPress. Are you ready? Let's start our lesson. First, go to Plugin and click Add New. Here, search Table of Contents. And this is the plugin we want. Click Install. And active. Next, go to Setting and Table of Content. And you will see that Enable Support and Auto Insert. Enable the section where you want to add the table of content. I would like to add the table in all my posts, so I only click the post. And you can decide whether you want to add the numbering in your table or not in here, counter. If not, just choose none. Otherwise, just default for the numbering. And here you can edit the appearance, font option, the color option. And the important one is whether the heading you want to choose which heading you want to add to the table here. For me, I will only choose heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3 in my table. And when all the setting is done, click Save Change. So click the post now. Click View the post. And you will see that the table of content will auto insert in your article. And here, because I chose the numbering, so you will see the numbering shown in here. If you do not want to have the numbering, you can go back to the setting. Go to the counter and choose None. Save change. Go back to your post again. And you will see that the numbering is no longer exist. If you do not want to have the table in particular post, you can edit the post. And scroll down. And you will see here have an option to disable the table of content. You can click here and click Save. So we can view the post again. And you will see that the table is gone. Very easy, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.